In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to link a service on your site to a plan effortlessly. This process is crucial if you're managing bookings for classes, private sessions, or courses, and want to offer different pricing options, such as packages or memberships. Let's begin by navigating to your services. You need to access your site's dashboard, which is the central hub for managing all your site's functionalities. Once there, look for Booking Services. If you don't see it immediately, don't worry. You can also reach it by clicking on the Catalog section in your dashboard. From the catalog, you should easily find your way to Booking Services. This section is where all your offered services are listed, and it's the starting point for setting up pricing plans. After you've found your booking services, you'll need to select a service to which you want to add a plan. It could be anything from an engaging class to a personalized private session, or even an insightful course. Simply click on the service you're interested in. This step is important because it determines which service will be associated with the pricing plans you're about to manage. Now, let's focus on the pricing. Scroll down until you reach the Price and Payment or Pricing Plans section. Sometimes you might have to click on Edit or Manage Plans to access the specific options for pricing. Here is where you'll spend most of your time configuring the details. Once you've accessed the area where you can manage plans, you have two primary options: connecting an existing plan or creating a new one. If you decide to connect an existing plan, you'll find a handy Connect button next to each membership or package listed. Simply tap on Connect for the plan you want to associate with your service. Alternatively, if your current offerings don't fit what you have in mind, it's straightforward to create a new plan. Click on Plus Create New Plan, and you'll be guided through the steps to set up a new package or membership tailored to your needs. This is where you can get creative. Think about what might attract your clients, like a flexible 3-session bundle or a comprehensive monthly membership. When connecting a service to a plan, you can decide how clients will access the service. You have two access types to choose from: limited or unlimited. A limited plan means your client can book a fixed number of sessions, such as a 10-class package. On the other hand, an unlimited plan allows clients unrestricted access to the service during the plan's timeframe. Maybe a monthly membership that lets them attend as many sessions as they like. Finally, when you're satisfied with your setup, don't forget the crucial step of saving your changes. At the top right of your screen, you'll see a Done button. Tap it to ensure that all your hard work is preserved and your plan is effectively connected to the service. And that's it. You've successfully linked a service to a plan on your site. This setup will not only streamline your offerings, but also provide your clients with clear and attractive options. Thank you for watching, and be sure to check out more of our tutorials for further guidance.